Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to check for your battery health on Samsung devices. So if you're a Samsung user and you want to know the state of your battery, then this video is for you. So make sure you have the Samsung Members app on your phone. If you don't have the Samsung Members app on your phone, then kindly go to the Galaxy Store and download the app. So I already have the app in here. So open your Samsung Members app. Open your Samsung Members app. Okay, so now that the app has opened, you realize in here there are a lot of tabs in here. Okay, so tap on the diagnostic. So tap on the diagnostic tab. You realize in the diagnostics. So tap on it. Yeah, and select the first one. That's device diagnostics. So mine is a tablet. That's why it's in the tablet diagnostics. But yours might be different. So select device diagnostics. That's the first one. Yeah, and in here you realize there are a lot of icons in here. Yeah, so in here, since you want to know the state of your battery, select the battery status icon. So select the battery status icon. Yeah, and in here you tap on the test. So if you've not performed this test before, then you tap on the test. Since I've performed this test before, that's why now I have test again. But if you are new to this thing, then you tap on the test. So when you tap on the test, the software will automatically do what it has to do. Then it will come up with the results. So the results might be either normal or weak. So when the status is normal, then you know you are safe and your battery is strong. But when the status is weak, meaning you have to go replace your battery. Yeah, so that's how simple and easy it is to check the battery state or the battery health of your Samsung device. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.